Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is STM enhances Kargu FPV Kamikaze drone with armor-piercing warhead and fiber optic cable. Turkish defense company STM has upgraded its national Kamikaze drone, Kargu FPV, by integrating an armor-piercing warhead and a fiber optic communication system. These additions significantly expand the drone's capabilities beyond its earlier configuration, which featured only an anti-personnel warhead. The Kargu FPV is designed to counter asymmetric threats with high precision and cost efficiency, in line with the demands of modern warfare. With the new warhead, the drone can now effectively target armored vehicles and fortified positions. The fiber optic cable allows the Kargu FPV to operate unaffected by electromagnetic jamming, enabling secure flights and precision strikes independent of GPS Global Positioning System or RF radio frequency signals. Both new systems have successfully completed their field trials. STM General Manager Özgür Güleriz commented, "By upgrading the warhead and communication system of Kargu FPV, we have transformed the platform into a more versatile solution." In particular, the addition of armor-piercing munition and fiber optic cable capability significantly broadens its operational usage on the battlefield. Güleriz added, "As STM, we remain committed to delivering adaptable and indigenous technologies tailored to the evolving nature of modern warfare." The Kargu FPV combines STM's expertise in autonomy, image processing, and artificial intelligence to shape future combat environments. Operated via a real-time vision system, the drone can be directed against enemy elements to neutralize targets with either anti-personnel or armor-piercing munitions. Its high maneuverability, low radar cross-section, and effective day and night operation make it suitable for striking both fixed and mobile targets. The system also includes an advanced military-grade fuse, integrated cameras, and a distance fuse sensor for automatic detonation at adjustable distances. With its autonomous terminal diving capability supported by image processing, the Kargu FPV ensures a precise strike on marked targets. It has a mission range of 10 kilometers, a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, and an endurance of over 20 minutes in kamikaze mode. The drone's operational altitude is 500 meters, with a maximum ceiling of 5,500 meters above sea level. In observation mode, without ammunition or fuse, it can remain airborne for up to 44 minutes. The Kargu FPV is an FPV, first-person view, drone, similar to those seen in use during the Ukraine-Russia conflict, where they have demonstrated their effectiveness as low-cost, real-time guided attack platforms. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.